Go.
All right. It is Monday night. It's 7:57 out west. It's 9:57 in Chicago. We pretty much stayed out of things today. Market did make for the sixth day in a row new highs on light volume. We keep making a new high on what, half a percent move or a quarter of a percent move each day. Um, Maybe day seven the market will rest. Um, Very interesting developments internationally with the whole Middle East situation going on right now, but no one seems to really be talking about it. Metals aren't really moving, and oil isn't moving, considering potential problems we could have. Currencies are kind of mixed, so pretty quiet, eerily quiet. The year is ticking by fast. We are already um, almost September. People are going to go back to school. I don't know if they're going to wait to test the economy to see what happens when kids go back to school. Heaven forbid, if kids start getting sick, what could happen? Because then you would have massive fear breakout and people would want to shut everything down again. So God willing, no children get sick and we don't go backwards. I think tomorrow we have oil expiration. We were analyzing the market before starting this video. Igor, would you like to show the oil charts?
Yeah. Right here where it's 67.49. Let's say 67.50. Seems like oil wants to tick down, but we
We
have.
were, yeah, we were playing around this area last week and we kept bouncing off it. It's three times the charm hitting the same price. I don't think it's going to, technicals look like it wants to go down. Fundamentals say it should probably go up. So we're going to go with 69 and a half, which is way above all the choppy trade in the $68 range. And then it's about 250 below support. Support was 7.5, and $5 should be, hopefully be, it's a round number, be support. So what does it look like you'll pick up on that if you do that? 65 versus 69 and a half.
There you go. 69.5. It's 2 at 4 and 65.5 at 7.
All right, go ahead
So
and try to get something off.
let's see.
Something, I'm trying to think about in history. The only thing that felt like this was really like the Asian currency crisis in 97. It was a very quiet summer. The market was busy. And then out of the blue, we had a $550 drop in the Dow, which was big news at that time. We hit all the circuit breakers from the first time since they were installed in 1987. Something could happen like that out of the blue sell off coming out of nowhere, because somebody needs money. So.
Well, right now it's not out of the blue with all of the issues in with the debacle in Afghanistan. So
Well, yeah, there's
it
more
really.
news that you could shake a stick at. You got all those government benefits that are up in the air, this infrastructure bill. I was hearing from some people, I have not researched this on my own yet, and I will tomorrow. I'll read up on it. That they, for trying to throw in some provisions at the end, that they're going to try to get gasoline cars off the road, that they're going to buy old cars. So, they're really fluffing the thing up. So it may, no, they may not pass. So, or if it does, we thought inflation is getting bad now. Just wait to see if the government buys $10,000 20-year-old cars. So.
Well, uh, this is funny. With all the money that they print to support the unemployment and economy and record bump in food stamps, they're gonna have money to buy old cars. All right, well,
They did it before. Remember this administration, the first version of it, did it for the Cash for Clunkers program in 2009, and they were buying cars, I think $2,500 for cars that didn't run, and taking the engines out and recycling the car.
Well, yeah, but they didn't print $3 trillion worth of debt right before that. right now it's they just threw, I don't know how many $billion for 20 years of the war in Afghanistan down the drain, created
Yes.
instability in the entire region. Plus, they just spent another $3 trillion in the last 2 years for all these
Yeah, no, I
special.
mean the money that is being lost is unbelievable in the American businesses that are going to be hurt, and our foreign allies. Not to turn into a political conversation, just money wasting is just unbelievable. It's just to a record
But
extent, which is
yeah,
inflationary. Because if you blow it,
right.
and then they're just going to spend it again, it causes inflation, which hurts everyone, and also makes
Except for the market. The market is going to go up on inflationary pressures. So it's going to look like we're doing great, but actually we're not, because it's not the market that is going up. It's just the prices uh, going up. And
yeah. And
it's just talking points.
did you get filled on your orders?
Yes.
Okay, what
We
did you get?
we got a total of 9. We got
Nice.
3 on
Okay. All right, that's good enough. We'll
69 and a
check it
half.
in the
And
morning. I mean, that's a good sample trade. Pass it along to other people, and then I'll let you go after this final story.
done.
On the weekend, I had a meeting with the person out here, and this is an accountant, conservative person, smart person, someone I actually respect. And they're showing me, look, I made 40% last month on my, he's another wannabe trader, and I was like, that's not how this business works. I was like, what do you think? I said, I'm happy for you made the money, but you should take it off the table now. This it don't work that way. Sorry, no, it does sometimes, but that's also like the lotto ticket, or you walked into the casino and sat down at the right video machine or whatever. Anyway, let's cut it short because people don't like long videos. Everyone be
All right.
well, and we will speak in the morning. You get some rest. It's late by you.
Talk to you later. Have a good night.
You too.
Bye bye.